Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to work on something that comes up a lot when you are dealing with real world database and missing data like one of my subscriber is facing right now. More specifically, we will look at how to use the coalesce function in SQL to handle null values. So let's jump in, and let me tell you why I am making this video, because one of our subscriber had sent us mail related to this issue, like he want to learn coalesce function in SQL, and like he also want to make a video on this, as well as like hide his name and mailing address. You can pause the video and read the mail. So I'm minimizing this first because yeah, because we have to learn, that's why. So all right, first of all, let me introduce the table. Like here I have a create table, insert into table, and here you have the table. So like imagine you have an employee table. Some employees have their email ID saved and some don't. So here what's the data look like? Let me run the query again. So here what the data look like it will be like null value in email. So now when you run a select query, you will get null like I have received, where email is missing. But let's be honest, seeing null in a report or dashboard doesn't look clean or professional, because in real world scenario, when you go to a company, or I would say when you work for your client, uh, it looks really unprofessional, because null value, like they will say change it to something else, they will obviously say it, especially in retail sector or banking sector. Because in retail or banking, what happens is that most of the people won't be having a mail id, or won't be having a full address kind of things, or will be having a phone number or not mail id, or they are willing to give a mail id but not a phone number. So like this kind of scenarios you will face, especially in retail and banking sector. So this thing, like this is exactly where coalesce function comes in. It helps you replace null value with something more meaningful, like a default message which the user will give, or like which we will give right now in the practical. uh, let's say we want to show each employee's mail. If it's missing, we want to display no email provided, or no data provided, or no contact info. So let's write the query. It's easy, it's nothing like rocket science. uh, Select name, name, because whatever we want the column, like what column we want, we will write it here, department. Then comes the magic, coalesce. Yeah, it's a weird kind of word, but okay, no issues for that. You have to write in coalesce, you have to write the row name. Like here mail, like you can see email is having null values, so you have to write the row name and give the default data which you want to put inside this null value in place of null value. So I would say no email provided. Easy. Wait, let me do it. Yeah, oh shit, once again, no email provided. It's simple, you have to write coalesce, then the row name where you want to change the null value to the default value, and then the default value, and make sure the default value which you will give, if it is a string, use comma. If not, then easy, you can put a number or something, you can put 00 or 0, and that's it. And I will write the alias for that. I will write email status, then from table name. What's the table name we have? We have practice employee, right? So what's happening here is like SQL looks at the email column, this, If it finds a value, great, okay, that's good to go, it shows that. But if it finds a null value, it skips it and uses the fallback or the query where we have written coles, that email, I mean the column name, and then the default value. Means, let me repeat it once again. If it finds a null, it skips it and uses the fallback, that is no email provided. Let's run it and see in real life like how it goes on. See, it's easy, right? Much better, I would say, much better. So now even if the data is inappropriate, your output is clean and user friendly. It looks professional, I would say. So remember, this coalesce is used to return the first non-null value from the list. It does not change the data in the table, just the way it's displayed in your query result. So now you know how to replace null values using coalesce in SQL. It's a simple function, but I would say super helpful when working with real world data or working in a real world scenario. I would say give this a try. I will be like pasting the create table query and insert into query into the comment section. Just copy and paste it, I would say, into your SQL database and try it. It's really fun, and I would say really give this a try in your own data set. And if it works for you, let me know in comment section. It's always open. Like one of our subscriber has sent us mail. You also sent mail related to any doubts. If not in comment section, you can send a mail to me and also write like this. They have written like, please make a video on this. I would make a video on this, no issue on that. They have sent, like, I would say this today 10:40 around, so I have made a video on this. And also, like, if you want to make sure your name or mail ID is not visible, so that's also okay, you can write it. I will hide it like we have done it here. So no need to worry about, your privacy is first priority, obviously. And I would say thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more SQL content, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notification for this. Because see, right now it's, I would say, 12:15 and we have to make videos because we know learning is important, education is important. So doesn't matter what hard work we need to go, it is okay for my subscriber. I would say it is okay for my subscriber. And let me tell you, my channel would be free of cost. Each and every knowledge, each and every doubt you want to clear out, just shoot a mail or write in comment section. I will clear it out, no charges, nothing. Even though I am preparing for like SQL, I would say, courses, I am making that for my subscriber. Very soon we will be launching that, SQL, Python, as well as JavaScript also. JavaScript is a, like, I would say, third priority, but first and second, I would say SQL and Python. We will be launching that very soon. And so bye bye, thank you, happy coding, and I will see you in the next chapter, I mean next question or next email, whatever I get first. I was preparing for the next question for today. See, like, I have opened that as well, but I have got the mail and my subscriber are my first priority. So first doubt should be solved, then question we will do. So tomorrow we will go with these questions if I don't get a mail or a comment related to any doubts. So let's meet tomorrow, and bye bye, take care, happy coding, bye.